Hi, I'm Chatterjee. So today we are going to solve a problem that is, let xy be a random vector with joint moment generating function given as this, and we have to find out then the probability x plus 2y greater than 1 is equal to when four options are given. Okay, at first we start with the joint. Okay, so the joint MGF is given by MXY T1 T2 is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 e to the power T1 whole square into 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 e to the power T2 whole cube. Right? Now here we identify the distribution. Here we identify the distribution using the MGF. So here we can see the MGF of a Bernoulli distribution. Bernoulli distribution is given as 1 minus P plus P into e to the power T, right? So here the first factor is what? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 e to the power T1 square is MGF of a sum of Bernoulli 1 by 4, right? Variables with n is equal to 2. Now we can write this as mx t1 is given as 1 minus p plus p e to the power t1 whole to the power n. Here n is equal to 2 and p is given as 1 by 4. So p is equal to 1 by 4 and n is equal to 2. Now we put that, so x belongs to binomial np, that is n equals to 2 and p is given as 1 by 4, right? Okay, clear until this? Now what we do is from here the probability of x is equal to k, that is given as 2 choose k p to the power x, that is k here, 1 by 4 to the power k and 1 minus p to the power 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power n minus k. Here n is given as 2, 2 minus k. Okay, for k 0, 1 and 2, right? From k 1 to 0 to n, and here n is given as 2. So for k 0, 1 and 2, right? Now the second factor here is 5 by 6, right? 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 e to the power t2 whole cube. That is 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 e to the power t2 whole cube. Now this is MGF of sum of Bernoulli 1/6 variables where n is equal to 3, right? So from here we can write similar way that y belongs to binomial n equals to 3, p is equal to 1/6. Okay. And it is given that x and y are independent. X and y are independent because the MGF factors are the products of functions of t1 times the functions of t2, right? So here what we want is to find the probability given as the probability x plus 2y greater than 1. Okay. So now what we have to find out is probability x plus 2y greater than 1. Okay. We have to find this. So what we will do for this? Now we know that x belongs to 0, 1, 2 and y belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, right? From this, we get the values as the values of p as y is equal to 0, then t is equal to x belongs to 0, 1, 2, right? Now, this is the first one. Now, when y is equal to 1, then t is equal to x plus 2, that is 2, 3, 4. Now, when y is equal to 2, t is equal to x plus 4, that is 4, 5, 6. And the last one, that is when y is equal to 3, t is equal to x plus 6. That is what? Yes, 6, 7, 8. Right. Now here we see that when t is greater than 1 cases. So when t is greater than 1. So here we see at first the case 1. Just stop. Yeah, the case 1. So what is the case 1? Now we see the values where t is greater than 1. So we can see that when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 1. Again, no. Now, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, then t is equal to 2. So, this is a yes. Now, the case 2. Case 2. That is when y is equal to 1, all x t is equal to, for all x t is equal to 2, 3, 4. So, yes for all, right? Here, all the values of t are greater than 1. Similarly, for case 3, when y is equal to 2, for all x, t is equal to 4, 5, 6, then yes to all again. Similarly, in case 4, if y is equal to 3, for all x, the values of t were 6, 7 and 8. That is 6, 7, 8. Again, yes for all. That is, all are greater than 1. So, complement, that is t less than equal to 1, happens only for, that is, when x, y is equal to 0, 0 and x and y is equal to 1, 0. Right? Now what we were finding, that probability x plus 2y is greater than 1. X plus 2y is greater than 1. Then we can write that probability x, probability t greater than 1 is equal to 1 minus probability t less than equal to 1. That is, we can write 1 minus probability x equals to 0, y equals to 0, minus probability x equals to 1, y equals to 0. Correct? Now what we compute is, first x equals to 0, probability x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Now, if I see that, what is at first probability x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Now we find this. This we can say that probability x equals to 0, we are finding this, okay. So x equals to 0 is equal to 2 to 0, right? 1 by 4 from here. From here, it was given here, right? Yes, from here, right? 2 to 0, 1 by 4 to the power 0, like this. So what we do is 2 to 0, 1 by 4 to the power 0, 3 by 4, that is 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 to the power 2. From here we get 1, 1 and this is 9 by 16. So what we get? 9 by 16. Okay. Now probability y is equal to 0. What is probability y is equal to 0? 3 to 0, 1 by 6 to the power 0. Yes, 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6 cube. Now this is 1, 1 and yes, 125 by 216. That is 125 by 216, right? Now the thing that probability x equals to 0, y is equal to 0 is 9 by 16 into 125 by 216. Alright. Now the value of this is 1125 by 3456. Done. Now what we compute is this part. That is probability x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Now we find probability x equals to 1, y is equal to 0. Similar manner, probability x equals to 1, that is to choose 1, 1 by 4 to the power 1, 3 by 4 to the power 1. So the value of this is, yes, 2 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. That is 6 by 16. Again, next probability y is equal to 0, that we already have found out. The probability y is equal to 0 is what? 125 by 216. Now probability x equals to 1, y equals to 0 is simply 6 by 16 into 125 by 216. That is given as 750 by 3456. Okay. Now we combine this. Now we come back to this. So what we write, that 1 minus probability x equals to 0, y is equal to 0. That was 1125. 1 second. So it was 1 minus 1125 by hmm, what given? Yeah, 3456 minus 750, right? Minus 750 by 3456. 3456. Now, what is the value of this? That is 1 minus 1875 by 3456. Now, this is 3456 minus 1875 by 3456. Now, the value of this is 1581 by 3456. So now we check which option matches, that is 1518, a 1581 by 3456. 15. Now coming back to the options, we see that, yeah, the first option, that is 1581 by 3456 matches. So the answer is the first option. Got it? Okay. Thanks.